Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Sonya Snowden tōku ingoa, ko rākau mangamanga tōku maunga, ko rāwhiti tōku marae, ko ipipiri herenga waka te moana, ko taumārere te awa, ko Ngāti kuta tōku hapu, ko Ngāpuhi tōku iwi, ko rāhiri tōku tupuna. That's where I got into weaving. Fantastic, yeah. Under the tutelage of Emily Schuster. And when I left Rotorua, I went home, I come back here to Otaki and I got me some flax and I sat by the bush and I prepared it all, went home and I started weaving. Tūwhara after tūwhara after tūwhara. And then I wanted to make a kete. My tukutuku days of learning was rangiatea. And the reason I was chosen, I think because of the preparation that I knew, all the preparation I've done for kete, with kikea and harakeke. All weavers are mathematicians because it's all a numbers game. And I spent hours just counting out the harakeke and the patterning and over 1, over 3, over 5, over, just work things out for yourself. If it's not shared, if it's not taught, it'll end up like a moa, kangaro. So just kia kaha and share it, for it's not ours to keep, it's to share around to everybody.